Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Go ahead, feel free to like, subscribe, do what you want. I'm gonna be here doing a no makeup look. So I have no makeup on right now. And I'm getting ready to go cut hair, so I'm trying to do this really fast, which is awesome. But this literally takes less than 10 minutes to do. I'm just going to be using a few products here. I haven't used this product yet, but I'm using it for the first time. Got this in my Boxy Charm. So, this is by Wander Beauty. It's Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I'm just going to put a little here. A little shimmer. This is a SPF. It's SPF 40, water and sweat resistant, and it's unseen sunscreen by Supergoop. You can use this just on your face alone. That's what it looks like, or you can use it under your makeup. But you definitely want to protect your face. Now that it's summer, even when you don't think it's sunny, and even when it's not summer, you still need to use SPF for your face. I didn't know that, but I know that now, and so I really think it's important. That's definitely a part of my skincare routine. So next, I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes with this e.l.f. eyelash curler. All my products that I'm going to be using here are drugstore and affordable. So, yep, I'm a graduated cosmetology student, and this quarantine's been just kind of hectic, I'm sure on a lot of people. Thankfully, none of my family has suffered from the coronavirus, and I know there are people that have that I know, but they have recovered well, so I'm thankful for that. Always have everybody, in my prayers. There are people that have passed away from this virus, and it's pretty sad, but hopefully they're going to get everything, under control soon. So I'm just trying to stay positive, and I've been following the lockdown. I go outside with my kids. We go to the store, and that's pretty much like all we really do. If I do go and visit, it's my family, which I can't stay away from my family, so as long as we're all safe, So I just used a little bit of the Instant Age Rewind concealer. This is in 110 Fair Clear. This is by Maybelline. Just a little bit under my eyes. So no foundation. Next up, I'm going to be using, this is by Maybelline Tattoo Studio 372 Blonde. This is a brow pomade, and it comes with this brush when you buy it. So this is a little spoolie you can use to, comb through your brows, and then I use this end. This is what it looks like. So I just use a little bit of that, and then I place it right here. Literally. Brush it across. Outline the bottom and the top. And then I just kind of use the excess, what's left over. And I go ahead and brush through. And that's what I do for my brows. Sometimes I'll use a brow gel. Not always, just depends on what kind of mood I'm in. So I actually have a scar right here. And so sometimes it's hard using the product in the area. I just kind of have to take a little bit extra time because of that scar. But usually ends up working out. So do the same thing to the other side. I've just really been liking this product for my brows. I've used a couple different pomades. I like the NYX or the NYX brow pomade. That one's really good. It's actually kind of similar to this one. So so there are my brows. And I was debating on doing lashes or not. I have my lashes right here. But I already have long lashes, so I don't know. Still debating. Because I'm trying to be quick. I have somewhere to be soon. Oh, I also want to throw out some suggestions. Like instead of using this illuminating face oil, I really enjoy this primer by L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal Infallible line. Glow Ahead. It's long wear illuminating primer. And it has a glow finish. It preps your face for makeup. And the benefits are it's smoothing, hydrating, and it blurs your pores. So I really like this. You can use this alone, or you can use it under your makeup. Works really good. And then also this is another good face product by Maybelline. It's the Master Strobing Liquid. This is in light iridescent. This is really pretty. I've used this over my foundation, like, in the highlighting areas. I've also used it without makeup. And then another way I use this is to kind of like brighten up my under eye area. And I will use this under my concealer and put the concealer on, and it just kind of gives like this brightness and illuminating effect. So I really like to use that. I wanted to throw that out there, that these are all drugstore products. Get these at Walmart, pretty much anywhere. You can get them online. So I know a lot of people, might not be able to get out to stores, or because of this lockdown and quarantine, you can still buy all this stuff online. You can go to Ulta, or you can go to the actual brand's website. But, yeah. So just throwing that out there. Next, I'm going to be using, I also got this in my BoxyCharm, I want to say in March. This is Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. And this castor oil, the benefit to that is it's supposed to grow your hairs. You can actually use castor oil. You can actually just buy the castor oil, and you can put it on your eyebrows, or you can use it just with a spoolie on its own and put it to your lashes. But this mascara has the castor oil in it, so it's awesome. And this is what the brush looks like. It's a really thick brush. I don't think I'm going to apply my lashes just because this mascara does a really awesome job on its own. I have long lashes and they're really light. So when I apply the mascara, then you can actually see how long my lashes are. But, and I'm just trying to be quick, So, that's one coat applied. and that's what it looks like so far. I just kind of like, I roll it up as I apply it to the base of the lash, and then I just kind of roll it up. Everybody probably, applies their mascara differently, but I've noticed I get the best effects doing it this way. It's 2 coats. Next, I'm going to be using the Galactic shimmer. There's this color and there's this like pinky color, but I'm going to be using the more gold-based. Just on my high points of my cheek area, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, and then the other side. This is so beautiful. Got this in my BoxyCharm a while back. So a lot of these, and this was in my BoxyCharm too. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. All 4 of these products were in my BoxyCharm at one point. I love that subscription. It used to be $21. It's now $24, but it's amazing. So next I'm going to be using, this is Wet n Wild Mega Glow Blush Stick. It's just a cream stick. I'm just going to apply a couple of dots here and right here on each side of my cheeks. I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender. I think this is L'Oreal. I'm going to be using this side and just kind of blend that in. It's like a subtle pinky color. It's just really cute. So that's what that's looking like. And then next I'm going to use a little bit of the bronzer. This is by Physicians Formula. And I'm going to use my, I forgot what brand this is, but I got a whole line of these brushes that I got from a friend for my birthday. My birthday was at Christmas. One of the two. Just a little bit for like a sun-kissed effect. I'm very fair-skinned, so I don't tan, but I probably will be testing out this new, it's by Bondi Sands. It's just a self-tanner, and I'm going to be trying that out soon. This stuff is just amazing. It's like, it's creamy, and it's not like really powdery or cakey at all. It's just creamy, and this looks like, and it smells so amazing. It's been out for a while now. And then it also has, on the other side, it has this little brush you can use on the go and a mirror. So, I love this little compact thing. It's awesome. Next, I'm going to be using Vintage, by Vintage, I think Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss. It's so cute. And it's not super sticky. So that's what that looks like. Next, I'm just going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish Primer. Just for a little extra just put a little oomph. And I'm going to be using this, it's argan oil, and it's argan oil of Morocco. And it helps to just give your hair like this glow, and it helps tame away the frizz. So I just literally just spray this. Don't spray it. You don't need too much. Just enough. I don't spray it anywhere towards the roots or scalp, because I don't want that to be like greasy looking at all. And that's literally it. That's all the products that I used. Was it 6 products or so? All drugstore. And this is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And I will be seeing you guys soon. Bye. Bye, butterflies.